You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy in today's vlog. Today we're doing it for the kids. We're at Cars for a Cause with the daily driven Atlanta ATL exotic crew. We already rolled in, we already parking, other cars are staging right now. So I'm going to get straight into the video, show you guys some of these vehicles. They got a little bit of background music playing in the background, so I don't know exactly how much of this I can continuously record. But if you see any points of this video where it's silent, just know that I cut it out just for the audio. Can't get any copyright strikes. But let's go ahead and get directly to the video. We got a 30 like goal for today's video, so if you see this video and it don't have 30 likes, hit that thumbs up button. Let's get straight to the content.
He brought it to that car show. Really? Yeah, he brought it over there. We can hop right in front of you.
You're good, man.
This guy loves cars.
Me and Dale trade hop. Down here.
You got a quick second?
I'll eat that one and worry about it.
You got a quick second?
Got roll cage in that bad boy.
Where do you want one? Okay, that's perfect. I've been trying to give them some money. All analogs. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Look at the interior on this one, guys. Paint's crispy as well.
Oh, do you know this guy? Are you interested in how you different your fight? He got some CH stuff that he does. You did?
Hydro dip. Alright guys, so I was just chopping it up with Lawson here. He's the owner of Hydro Dips. Show you guys his car. He does a lot of Hydro Dip work. Come on, get a focus on there. There we go, Hydro Dips. Out in Woodstock, Georgia. Do a lot of work to C8s, and Corvettes, and Lamborghinis, all the type of that good stuff. Sure.
This is the car of better than life.
Man, these seats are thin, but boy, you're getting a heck of a car here, guys.
It's not dirty.
So I just got his 570S. He took the wrap off. Show off this nice deep purple. Guys, I didn't get a chance at all to clean the car up. Should have for sure, but it's a little wet outside. Didn't get a chance to really clean it up at all. It rained, but on camera it looks clean. But I'm telling you for sure, it is dirty, guys. It is dirty. I think I'm going to take the top off. Got all the windows closed up so no one can see the interior. Let me take the top off. There we go, guys. Now you can see all of the dirtiness. Engine cover still looks good though. I don't know how much of this I can continuously record at one time because of the music in the background, but Ferrari, nice. Another Ferrari. I think I'm gonna choose the 488 Spider though. Nice.
Oh man, this is the man, this is the guy right here.
Young Doc.
So this is who's singing this? This is yours?
Yeah. Big boy. McLaren. 765. Alright guys, so I'm trying to avoid the copyright strikes with the music in the background. There's obviously roaring engines right now. We're about to get ready to head out here. I'm actually about to head to the SEC Championship watch party. Gotta support those Georgia Bulldogs, so go Dogs. Anyway, if you're still tapped in and still tuned into the video right now, it's your boy JamesAtkinsTv. I hope you found something interesting today. Hit a thumbs up on the video. Drop a comment on the car you like the most. And yeah, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy JamesAtkinsTv. We out.